Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add canvases to your photos or videos in CapCut PC. Select your photo or video. I'm just going to select cutout and auto cutout so you guys can see the background. You don't have to do this. Don't put it on the second track, but put it in the main track or else the option won't show up. Go to basic, scroll down to canvas. You can add colors if you'd like to. Here, you can even match it to the color of your photo like that. Or you can even go to style here, and they have a lot of options in photos for the background like this. So just select it. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. You can select from a lot of different canvases that they have here. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!